My legs are wet as well now. 2 Stevens? Yeah, what Stevens? What?
Help! Help! Getting good at this.
Somebody's really doing something over there to some cows. It's the 9th of Feb. It's Bahamas Day, and Storm Erik is out. Where's that bike lane come from? Amazingly, funnily enough, Storm Hand Car Wash is closed today because of the weather. Not really helping himself there, really.
Today's journey begins here at Keighley. We will travel into Keighley, to a wonderful view of Asda car park, then back out of Keighley, then carrying up north, past Skipton, past Gargrave, to Hellifield. From Hellifield, we shall carry on north, through Settle, onto the S&C, and on to Glencliff.
Hello, welcome to SteamChasers.
Bananas update. It's going nowhere. There's a tree in the lane. Update on the tow. We're currently waiting at Keighley, still on KWVR side, following the blockage on the main line. No way around it, except for heading back to Manchester and then through Blackpool.
Oh, I was going to say finish the Worth Valley to Hebden Bridge. Well, if you did see any of that video, it was, as you see, it was very windy, and our tree has blocked the line, so Bananas isn't going anywhere. So, off to Keighley to look at a tree. There you go, your first sight of Bananas is in
Asda car park.
Asda car park, yeah. You'll never forget, will you?
Yeah, moving forward.
Is that a good thing?
When possible,
you'd think so.
make a U-turn,
Yeah.
then enter the roundabout.
Are they off?
Looks like it.
Good. It's a loading bay, isn't it?
Oh, shit, is video camera in your car?
Miles,
It's in my car, yeah.
Can you move?
Use that close video!
Yes, I know. Slow down.
Do you want me to find a gap first? Where'd you whip it? I'm sure there's a random bloke with a flat cap last time we were here.
Probably. It's Yorkshire. We've finally seen Bananas, by the way.
I've got a really bad video on it. Which will have to put really annoying music on.
Yeah.
Update, my leg is still wet.
My legs are wet as well now.
What have you done?
Ran through a puddle.
Oh, no.
I panicked! I panicked and then I saw a smoke box and panicked more.
Ooh, I wonder if he's watched that hoovering video. Where you going? You gone that way? Good.
I know I did. As soon as you sent me that, I clicked on it and went, right, switch off.
I didn't watch it. I just can't believe nearly 500,000 people have watched a Scouser hoovering a C-Max. I just kept skipping through it thinking, hoovering, more hoovering. 34 minutes of hoovering. Might as well get something else then if we're ahead.
Yeah, I'm thinking that.
Options.
Yeah, exactly. Gargrave.
I've just missed one.
Belbusk.
Alright.
Belbusk.
Do you know where it is?
Follow this road a bit. I'll get it on
Is that the overbridge?
it. No, you know where the hotel is?
Oh, where we can't park?
Well, there is an area you can park in there.
That's over there somewhere. I think I know what you mean. Where we got something being dragged by 47.
Yeah.
Right. It's quite close to
Coniston Cole.
Coniston's Cole. Coniston Cole. That's what I was thinking of.
Yeah.
Where 8,000 people went to miss a pass of 2 steam engines.
Continue
Including
on
us.
A65.
Well, we tried.
2 Stevens.
Yeah. There was one coming from York and one going to York, and they passed at Coniston Cole. Well, they were supposed to pass at Coniston Cole, and they all went on that one farm bridge, and it was 5 minutes late. And then somebody faked it.
2 Stevens.
Yeah.
What Stevens?
What?
Stevens.
Steam engines.
Oh, I thought you were saying Stevenson.
What the fuck's a Stevenson?
I don't know. That's what I was confused by.
Luther.
2 steam engines. Oh yeah. It was. It was. Sherwood Forester was coming from Doncaster to Carlisle, wasn't it?
Yeah.
And Galatea was going to York. Yeah.
I knew something was going to York.
Hey.
I knew something was going to
Yeah.
York.
Yeah. That was. Yeah. I know which day you're thinking of now.
There was no Stevenson involved at all.
No. I was thinking Stevenson. What the fuck is it? Is he talking about a plane?
Bahamas just arrived at Hellyfield, off to Landcliffe now. Do you think it's rained? You can understand why this farmer's permanently pissed off, can't you?
Yeah.
Unless he grows ducks. Do you think that's just Helworth Bridge's lit up like that?
Looks like it.
If it is, he's still going to say it's Steinmore.
Likely. I don't know. Stainmore is another 30 to 40 miles north.
Oh, go on. Have they finished it?
You certainly won't see a train there. You'll see a cat. You've already seen a cat today.
Yeah. You've got a cat? Oh yeah, you've got a cat. There you go, that's it, yeah. Oh yeah. Hello and welcome to Not Stainmore. Now I've got Stainmore stuck in my head now. Help! Help! Help me! Not Stainmore.
No, Stainmore. We'll go with Stainmore. Yeah, Stainmore.
Where are we Stainmore?
Stainmore, 40 miles up that way.
Right. Let's get closer before the angry people all glaring at me. It's 11:03, it's still windy, and this is Landcliffe. just north of Settle.
Is it really this winter have I bought a allotment shed? How's this from? That's fully open, isn't it? Dad! It's already down to Isle an hour before you do that. No, I think it's this windy! Affected stability slightly. What's that noise? Got deaf now. Yeah. What? There wasn't any noisier with that open. That's because you've got deaf. What? Can't hear you, I've got deaf.
Time?
12:30.
Lazenby?
Yep.
Getting good at this. Only been 43 times.
At the traffic light.
Carlisle station. No, it's a river. Maybe you want to look at ducks? Oh yeah, that's Carlisle station.
Yeah.
But it's not a castle.
It's a citadel.
4:10 at Keld. Might keep with Morris shed, there we go. It's a cow.
It's definitely an elephant. No, it's an elephant.
Can't do this. Oh. It's nearly 5 o'clock and this is Kirby Stephen.
And somebody's really doing something over there to some cows.
What's that socket? Is it that socket? Give me camera. Is it a large micro SD or is it to charge
Well,
it?
you've got two charger, you've got DC.
So I can unplug this. Will it go in there?